thank you for watching. Today we're opening up Coffee Beanery, a coffee subscription, and I'm so excited. I can already I think it's just in my head, but I feel like I can smell the coffee that's in here already. I feel like this is the third time I've opened this subscription, and I absolutely love it. So in today's video, I will just tell you a little bit about it, and then we will get to the unboxing. But before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here in our channel. So if you love subscription boxes too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We recently hit 10,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much. As a big thank you, I'm currently in the process of putting together a large giveaway. Not sure if the giveaway video will be up yet or not, but definitely make sure you have your notifications set to on, so when that does go live, you'll get notified for the giveaway as well as all of my future videos. And yeah, I think that's about it. Thank you guys. Let's get started. So comes in a mailer bag. It is $20 a month with free shipping, and there's a theme every single month, and you get 4 pre-ground 2.5 ounce coffees, so they're all different flavors surrounding the theme, and you also get a postcard with information and a fun monthly activity. I think last month it was like carnival or circus theme or something like that. And if you guys watched that one, I couldn't even remember off the top of my head. I drank all of that already, that coffee. I'm so glad I have more now. I think my favorite was a churro flavored coffee. So good. Let me find my scissors and let's get this open. Oh, now I smell it now that I open the bag. I love the scent of coffee. I love the taste of coffee. I love everything about coffee. Oh my god, seriously, it smells so good. So this is the card we received. So Flavor of the Month Coffee Club by Coffee Beanery, and the theme is Soda Shop. And there is a note here on their website, which of course I'm linking down below. You can also purchase 12-ounce bags of these flavors, and they have other options as well on their shop. Oh my god, I can't wait. And then the back is the activity. The activity this month is 1950s slang game. Match up the 1950s slang term on the left to the slang definition. Clues provided on the right. So I will just hold this here if you guys felt like pausing and screenshotting to do it later or something like that. I think that would be fun. I'm not super familiar with the 50s, so I am looking forward to challenging myself. But let's start. The first thing I see right here is called Brown Cow. Sorry, I'm gonna have to smell every single one. I'm not familiar with what Brown Cow is, but it says here it's creamy chocolate and vanilla bean ice cream with classic cola finish. That sounds really good. I love chocolate and vanilla and all those flavors. I love everything right now. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Oh, this is interesting. Strawberry milkshake. I feel like the labeling they put on these bags is also so cute. I have a little canister I got from Globin where I keep my coffee grounds, and when I pour in one of these bags, it fits it perfect. Can't tell if it smells like strawberry, but it says strawberry milkshake, the traditional and rich flavor of strawberries and cream. Ooh, the next one's root beer float. I haven't had a root beer float in a hot minute. Oh my gosh, it has to have been 20 years ago. That's crazy. I don't even think I've had root beer without the float part. But bubbly root beer and sweet vanilla and old-fashioned delight. I'm smelling all of these, they all just smell like coffee. If I open it, I'll definitely get more of a fragrance, but this one is Orange Dreamsicle. Bursting with flavors of orange, just like your favorite frozen summer treat. Interesting. So yeah, sometimes it sounds interesting when you're wait, strawberry and orange flavor and stuff, but last month there was one that was cherry ice, or something with cherry in it, and then there was another one, what was it, cotton candy or something like that, but they're still so good. I definitely gravitate more towards probably the Brown Cow and root beer float, but they're all so good, so interesting to taste. I've liked every single one I've tried so far, and I think it is so fun. I love that there's a theme. They always do so good with the theme, and the coffee always smells and tastes so great. I just love coffee. So if you guys love coffee like I do, like clearly I love it. I'm like gushing over it right now. Or if you know someone that does love coffee like I do, I think this would be a great gift for you or a loved one. Cause yeah, and then you don't have to go to the store and buy more coffee all the time. Cause I go through coffee pretty fast, and it's nice to get it delivered to your door and to try new things. I love trying new things. And I just think this is such a cute subscription. I think they do a great job. So again, Coffee Beanery will be linked down below. I would love to know your thoughts. What coffee in this bag do you think sounds the best? I am thinking, yeah, brown cow. Like, I didn't know what that was at first, but I think that might be what I opened first. But we shall see. I'll try and remember to update you on what my favorite was when I open this next month. But anyways, I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. Thank you so much for being here and watching. I really appreciate it. And thank you to my channel members. You guys are the best. I appreciate you too. I appreciate every single one of you just for being here and watching. But if you are interested in becoming a channel member, I always link it down below so you can learn more about it. We do some live streams every other week for members only in tier 2, and we just did our first one the other day, and there is a great giveaway. It was a full skincare regimen, so it's super fun, more intimate than if it's a huge live stream. There's way less of us, and yeah, if you're interested, no pressure, but all that information's down below. But that's it for today. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.